I'm truly sorry for things today. You're not gonna know I used to know. Oh, 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 it's still me. And then your lips of my memories. Your stories echo from the past. Cause you're a finished product when you're off my past. Sorry, I really am. My final words are on the page. In black and white, and down the hallway of memories. Your light baptized the little road that trains my control.